My name is Stephanie. I am 53 years old. I am born and raised in Las Vegas, Nevada. I am an office manager by day and an animal rescuer in every other waking hour of my life. I started having problems with hair loss probably around age 35. Hormonal changes. I have Hashimoto syndrome, hypothyroid, definitely contributed to that quite a bit. Full disclosure, I was diagnosed with cancer in December, and I did have surgery in January and have had no recurrence and had a really great outcome. I've been dealing with it for such a long time, and it's definitely been a hit to the confidence. They say your hair is the crown you never take off, and my crown is thin, very thin, and it's definitely something I've been self-conscious about. I've tried lotions and potions and powders and learned how to carefully arrange my hair to make it not look so see-through, but it's definitely something that's been a hindrance to me. When my hair's wet, you can really see how thin it is. Even going to the gym, working out, and doing some good cardio and working up a good sweat, I always have to have either a headband or a baseball hat or something like that on. Being outside, it's been so crazy windy lately, and just having my hair blowing around and just being self-conscious about that, knowing that when I walk into the store, it's probably not carefully arranged to cover up the thinning and the loss anymore. I'm hopeful that I'll be able to actually pull my hair back. I have a natural widow's peak that hasn't been seen in a very long time because I've been too self-conscious to pull my hair completely back. I always have a bang down in the front so that I can camouflage the thinning that I have there. And I would just love even the illusion of having more hair there and being able to pull that back without feeling self-conscious about it. I just completed my 3rd session of my full scalp micropigmentation, and I'm super excited. I've noticed even just with my 2nd session, there was such an improvement in the texture and the look that I started wearing my hair completely back. I got my widow's peak back after the 1st session, which I haven't seen in years, and so I've been kind of showing that off a little bit more than I was before. I'm finding I'm a lot less self-conscious than I used to be before, and it's just been fantastic. The hardest part about coming in was probably just overcoming my own self-conscious and lack of self-esteem. Just come in, have a consultation. The team here is fantastic. It's a very friendly, open atmosphere. You can ask all the questions that you need to. It's a game changer. You can have a result like I had. I 100% recommend this to anybody. I would say this is the end of probably all in closer to 30 years, maybe, all said and done, and all the ins and ups and downs and ins and outs. There's other options out there. There's other things that you can do to help make yourself feel better and not to have any stigma about that. Whatever makes you feel beautiful and confident, do it. Absolutely do it.